Hey!
Wow. Oh my God.
Wow. Wow, we've been waiting. It is so clean looking.
Yeah.
I love that work you did on the bamboo.
Hi, I'm Kevin,
I'm Hayden.
and we're here with Scenic Vans, and we wanted to show you the newest van build we built for a private customer. It's built on our Aspen floor plan that has lots of awesome features. It's one of my favorite floor plans for the 144 wheelbase Sprinter. It's a great option for full-time use or really, really long road trips. Let me show you what we got.
One of the best things about the Aspen floor plan is the efficient use of space. Over here you can see we have 2 swivel seats and a dining table, so you're able to maximize space.
The Aspen camper van has a really open floor plan. You can see the entrance to the door is really wide. You have a nice bench here that you can sit down on. This galley is absolutely huge. 2 people can definitely cook a meal here with lots of room. You have your sink that has a cutting board insert, so you can use this, of course, to, when you're not using the sink, you can use it to chop and otherwise prepare meals. You have a separate prep area. You have your 2-burner range. And then this table that is normally your dining table, it can swivel around and it can provide an extra prep space. We really like this Isotherm Drawer 85 fridge in our camper van builds. For one, it's a drawer. It doesn't have like a door that swings open. What's good about that is you can approach the fridge from either side. You don't have to be on the correct side of the door. Also, it eliminates the need to sort of crouch down to open your fridge and get to your groceries. It has a freezer that's, a lot bigger than a dorm freezer. And it also bolts right into the cabinet so it doesn't rattle or make noise when you drive.
Underneath our sink here is our plumbing and our propane area. We have a 5-pound propane tank that is activated with a switch that is up here above the galley. That feeds the stove as well as the hot water heater that's in the back.
So right now, of course, it's a little cold, so I'm sure if I was using this fan right now, I would definitely love the fact that this thing has an Espar German heater. This heater is mounted under the passenger seat. It's plumbed directly to the diesel tank in the car. It pumps fuel to the heater, burns that fuel, sends hot air out of the van, sends exhaust out the bottom. You don't always have to use the heater though. These vans are fully insulated. We use 3M Thinsulate. We use bamboo and 11-ply Baltic birch walls that help with the insulation as well.
This isn't just any seat. This is actually a toilet. The front panel is held on by magnets, and the lid just pops straight off. Over here we have our Nature's Head composting toilet. This is actually their Weekender edition, so it's a little bit smaller. It's able to fit in a little bit of smaller spaces. The basin is actually sealed airtight, and there's a little fan and it sucks out all that smelly air, so you can keep it for about 2 weeks. For the water system, we have 20 gallons of fresh water and 11 gallons of gray water. And the gray water is actually hooked up to a pump, so you're able to pump it out at a campsite.
We needed to make sure it had enough storage and storage that fit their needs, specifically, lots of stuff and bicycles. So let me show you the storage area. So as you can see, pretty big storage area. There's this sliding tray. It has these bike mounts on it. It allows you to store a bike on here and then slide it out to get your bike stuff in and out. Also, there's extra space, for bike-related accessories that can go in here. Not to mention the fact that there's a little shelf above the water tank case that allows for even more storage for all of our customers' needs. Off the back, there is an outdoor shower. So this shower hose is plumbed to both hot and cold water. The outdoor shower is really nice, especially if you're exercising a lot, riding bikes. You can wash off, feel real nice and clean before you get in the van to continue to your next destination.
This is a fully off-grid electric system, so it can charge by both solar and alternator, as well as shore power. So it's got 200 amp hours of lithium battery, a 3,000 watt inverter, and it has 200 watts of solar up top.
We really pride ourselves at Scenic Vans in making the beds as big as they possibly can be for the floor plan. This van has the capsule pop-outs. We build these nice bamboo frames to widen the bed. This bed is almost a queen size bed. It's very close to a queen, but someone my size can definitely fit in it.